Good morning, guys. We have new babies here. We have 5 babies. Their mother left them. They're so small and so cute. You're just speed. Pinulot na naman yan ng mga amo ko, guys. Nililiit nila. They're so cute. Okay. Take breath. They're so small. We have 5 and Milo, and Minuit. Hi, Minuit. Plus, Olive is... Where is Mia? Mia! Wala si Mia. Si Olive nasa kabilang kwarto, guys. Here. Pero hindi ko na siya bubuksan. So, let's work na, guys. Bye-bye. I love you all. Kaya pala hindi ko mahanap si Mia kasi she's hiding here. She's afraid for small. Ano ba tong pusa na to?